Hey, Woodman here. Wanted to talk to you about endocannabinoids. The human body naturally produces chemicals called endocannabinoids, which are very similar to delta 9 tetrahydrocannabinol or THC, which is the psychoactive compound in marijuana. These endocannabinoids play a crucial role in the endocannabinoid system, ECS, which helps regulate various physiological processes, including pain, mood, appetite, and immune response. Let's talk about the CB1 and CB2 receptors. The ECS consists of cannabinoid receptors, with the primary ones being designated CB1 and CB2. CB1 receptors, they're located primarily being found in the central nervous system, which includes the brain and the spinal cord. In terms of function, they play a critical role in modulating neurotransmitter release, thus influencing pain sensation, mood, appetite, memory, and other cognitive functions. In terms of pain perception, CB1 receptors are involved in the modulation of pain. When these receptors are activated by endocannabinoids or external cannabinoids like THC, they can reduce the actual perception of pain. Let's talk about CB2 receptors. In terms of location, they are mostly found in the peripheral tissues, especially in the immune system, as well as the gastrointestinal tract. In terms of function, they are primarily involved in regulating immune response as well as inflammation. In terms of pain perception, CB2 receptors contribute to the anti inflammatory effects and play a role in pain relief by reducing inflammation. What about deficiency in endocannabinoids and how that might be connected to pain? In terms of endocannabinoid deficiency and pain, when there is a deficiency or dysfunction in the production of endocannabinoids or in the receptors themselves, it can lead to various health issues, uh, one of which would be increased pain sensitivity. Let's talk about increased pain. Without sufficient endocannabinoid activity, the body's ability to modulate pain is compromised, leading to heightened pain perception. What about chronic conditions? Well, conditions like fibromyalgia, migraine, and irritable bowel syndrome have been associated with endocannabinoid deficiencies, suggesting that proper ECS function is absolutely crucial for day to day bodily pain management. How about external cannabis and what it does towards pain relief? Cannabis can help alleviate pain through its interaction with the ECS. In terms of THC and CB1 activation, the THC from cannabis binds to the body's CB1 receptors, mimicking the action of endocannabinoids and reducing pain perception by modulating neurotransmitter release in the brain and the spinal cord. What about CBD and CB2 activation? Cannabidiol, CBD, another compound found in cannabis, interacts with CB2 receptors and other parts of the ECS. It has anti inflammatory properties that contribute to pain relief, but without the actual psychoactive effects of THC. Why do humans have endocannabinoids in the first place? Seems kind of strange, right? That we would actually um, be able to naturally produce those on our own. Well, endocannabinoids are integral to maintaining homeostasis, which is the body's way of keeping internal conditions stable as well as balanced. And those endocannabinoids also help regulate functions. Endocannabinoids can help regulate pain, immune function, mood, appetite, and other critical physiological processes. In terms of evolutionary significance, the presence of endocannabinoids in vertebrates for millions of years highlights their essential role in survival and adaptation. They help organisms respond to stress, injury, and changes in the environment by maintaining balance within the body's systems. I mean, you can imagine if it controls appetite, then if you have a deficiency, you may become obese because your appetite may just keep going to the point that you don't know to stop eating, and then you'll put on weight. So with ECS, CB1 and CB2 receptors play a pivotal role in pain management and other bodily functions. Deficiency in the system can lead to increased pain, but external cannabinoids from cannabis can provide relief by interacting with these receptors. The evolutionary presence of endocannabinoids underscores their importance in maintaining homeostasis and overall health. If you want to read further on the subject, and this was a really brief dive into the subject matter area, you can go on the National Institute of Health website, an article called The Endocannabinoid System, an overview, and I will go ahead and put the link in the description. You can also go to Healthline, an article called How the Endocannabinoid System Affects Your Health, and I will also put that link in the description. And you can also look at Medical News Today, which the article is called What is the Endocannabinoid? And I will put that link as well to the Medical News Today website. I hope this information has been helpful. It was extremely brief, but nonetheless, I do plan to explore this further in subsequent videos. If you're new here, welcome aboard. It's a safe place. If you're returning, I'm glad that you're back. I welcome you back. You help support this channel. I love you all. I love you. I love you. I love you. Until the next time, Woodman signing off. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Take care.